Hey ladies and gentlemen, 5 gigahertz. We are going into the GoPro. Let's just basically switch the GoPro, and what we're going to do is go to media. We want to get this video. We're going to hit the download over here. 5 gigahertz transferring, 20-second video or so. Takes about 10 seconds or more. It may feel a little longer, but it's not. No got it, no nothing. So let's back out and continue to back out and go to the actual app media and open it up. And what we want to do to this video is hit the pencil lower left. We want to look for speed stickers right here. When we hit on stickers, it opens up GoPro.
We're just doing a GPS test. Everybody's...
Let's mute the sound. What we want to do is put the speedometer down to the lower right corner by continuing tapping. And we can see the speed chart if we like. And we can look at altitude and G-force and so forth. And when we're done, we hit the OK. And we got what we want. Now, I'm a little curious what this new thing is with lens. I have wide, super view, hyper view, and horizon, and rotate, and flip. Now, could this all be possible due to the new 8x7 sensor? The tall sensor? Yes, indeed. And that's what you would do over there. You would say, hey, I want this in wide, unavailable as original field of view is too small. So, can I get this in linear? Which it is in linear. That would be the lens choices. So we're all done. We're finished. We want to save the clip. It's saved. Now I want to download my clip. I hit download. I want to save it to my photos and then export it off my machine. Export quality is 4K. Let's continue. Prepare my clip. It's taking just as long, or maybe a few seconds longer than the original 22 seconds. It took about 14 seconds to download. This is taking about 22 seconds to download or more. Media saved. We close it up and we're all done. We're just doing a GPS test. Everybody's speedometer is different from GoPro. And GPS has been on for the longest period of time. I started my camera, and here we are.